Road closed ahead. Road closed at Gilly Road. Where the f*** is that? I'll go this way. Alright everybody, so I don't know if you can tell a difference here, but there is a difference here, and it's not the wind noise. It's terrible wind noise, but it's not the camera. It's still got the old DJI Osmo action with the Rocksteady. Yeah, it's something in the controls which has changed. Let me lean back a bit here. Yeah, it's the bars. Yeah, so this is a CNC top yoke. It's like a, what do you call it? Like a Street Fighter bar conversion. Right, so it's using a Fatbar. This is the low-rise Fatbar, 1 1/8 inch Fatbar, and then it narrows down to the typical 7/8 in the end here. So I reused my grips, reused the levers, and it's good. Yeah, it's really good. I do have to kind of fine tune the height of the clutch and the brake lever. I need to tilt the brake lever up a bit more. The reason I have it down so far here is because it hits the screen on full lock turn.